It doesn't matter if they're rich or poor. If you're in pain, you're miserable. And so it becomes priceless to get their life back.
So we're very unique in that we treat pain. We treat pain for whatever the genesis is, however it started, but we treat it in a really unconventional way. We don't use invasive medicine or invasive techniques like shots and surgical things, and we don't use medications. We use the microcurrent that helps the body to heal itself.
And in many cases, patients already have had a workup. They've had MRIs, they have everything, and they may come in and say, look, I got spinal stenosis, to give you an example. And spinal stenosis is something you see on the X-ray and MRI. But in many cases, the pain is really not from the spinal stenosis, but it's from the soft tissue that supports the spinal stenosis. Because ultimately, the spine or the bones itself cannot move without the help of good, healthy, connective or soft tissue, which is muscles, ligaments, and so on. Yet that is not well visualized. So they may come in with a diagnosis of spinal stenosis, but there's nothing about the muscles. And so we look at that, and we can, from the exam, tell pretty much if there's some, dysfunction or lack of function or lack of mobility. Our goal is to help the body do what it needs to do. And we can find the areas and work on them, but it is by what you feel, what the patient feels, and what sometimes something like this 3D can help you also confirm.
They got better. It's like a miracle. People with braces, people with wheelchair, people getting out of the wheelchair, people getting leaving their cane.
And Dr. Wee made it so I could walk again and not feel like I had to do anything else. I didn't have to lean on a wall, or I didn't have to worry about being unbalanced. And I thought, wow, this really feels good.
The reason we named this Hope Clinic is because most people that find their way here have lost hope. They've tried everything and they are frequently dysphoric about it. They've lost all of their motivation, frequently are a little bit preconceived that, this is just one more thing that they're going to try to do like everybody else has. And I actually enjoy getting that because we get results right away.
Our results run about 95, 96%. Overall, when you see those results in pain management without using drugs, shots, or anything, that is remarkable. And it's not because we're so smart. I give the credit to the body, when given a chance, able to repair and heal. And in many cases, get actually restored to sometimes beyond what they were before they had the pain.
This office is amazing. Dr. Wee's amazing. I was having numbness down my arm, and they were going to fuse my spine up here at Mayo, and giving me not very good prognosis afterwards either. And I was at prayer. And asking for prayer what to do, because I really didn't want to get the surgery. And this gal I never even knew, but she said, well, you got to go see Dr. Wee, because he helped my daughter get back to playing violin after she had been in a really bad car accident. And before you have surgery, go see Dr. Wee. And so that's where I met him. And he looked at my MRI. I still remember like yesterday, and he said, oh, you're not that bad. And and we went from there. And so it's just been a journey ever since with Dr. Wee. I never had surgery. No, I know he saved a lot of people from surgery.
It's a place for people who can have hope, to make themselves feel better. And that's why people keep coming back. That's why I keep coming back.
Are we unique? Very. Are we special? Very. Anybody that's gotten into medicine and in the healing arts wants to make a difference. And we give it one notion past that. I facilitate it, it's the body. And am I thankful that I got that perspective and get to see that every single day? every single day I say I'm thankful. I always say it's an honor to work here.
We lift up our patients that God sent us. We pray for them. We pray for our staff. And we believe that God sent us. So far, everybody that has come here is by word of mouth.
I believe that God will help do this and, achieve that goal of helping many, many, many more people.
I am very thankful for Dr. Wee, and I think almost every day I thank God for Dr. Wee and what he does here and this clinic, because I'm not the same because of it. It's just a miracle and amazing what he does. He's just such a man of God, and he has the gift of healing, and it's just a blessing to me.